Hello, it's me back with part 2 of making the birthday slime. So we were in the middle of making the pink slime and my iPad died, so I have to redo it. But here's our pink slime that we made. Now I put it on the table and it got some stuff in it, so let's try to get that out. So there's one piece of it that we had in it. 2. 3, 4. 4 pieces of hair. Oh, and one like green thing. I don't know what that is. Ew. No, it's not sticky actually. It's it might stick to you, but then you put the slime back on you and it sticks right off. See? So we've had our yellow slime. Oh no. I set that down in the wrong place. So we have our yellow slime and our pink to make the birthday, you know? So I'm going to find something that I can stick these on so they don't like... This one's going to be our last one. I have yellow on me. So get the rest of your glue and pour it in your bowl. Now, it might just be a little bit, I know. I barely have any. But if you have any extra glue bottles, try squeezing all the glue out of it. So this one right here still has kind of a lot, so maybe we can get some out of this. Oh no, it fell in. No. I don't know where to put it. I guess I'll just put it right there. I'll have to restore my slime. No! No! It's all falling. Sucks and you don't have enough glue to put on your slime. So I have these 4 bottles and I'm going to get as much out as possible. So let's do this. I should go get a trash bag. So I'm back with my trash bag. Perfect. So we've got all the one out of that. This one. And these 2. Now this one I'm going to try again because I didn't get all of it out. Actually, yes I did. So let's get the rest of this. I just stepped in glue. So we got all of that out. This one seems like I've already tried to get most of it out. Yeah, I have. Actually, that's actually coming out really good. Y'all guys might just like to skip ahead, you know, because it's taking a while. Oh, this one has a lot. That's probably it. my last one. I've tried to get all this out because nothing's coming out. Nothing. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. I like it. Maybe I squeeze into it. That didn't help. Oh yeah, I did. Squeeze. Okay, well, I got a lot out. That's good anyways. Now pour the soap in. This one's really a lot. Now let's get this one. Put the lotion in. I'm going to add a spray of perfume to make it smell good. Then I'm going to get some food coloring. So we have pink, yellow, and now we're going to do baby blue. So basically 2 drops will do the trick. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. So dark. So I'm going to make it a little bit darker. When it's like that, then you're going to want to mix again, and voila. This one's going to need a lot. Voila, voila, voila. See, that didn't even do the trick, and I put in like 3 teaspoons. So we're going to put in a teaspoon. So we're going to put in half a teaspoon because that still didn't work. And this is really hard to mix, y'all, because I did so much. See, not even all of it is mixed into it. And we want the sides and everything. So that's why I put so much extra lotion, y'all. And it still just might need a little bit more, because this one I wasn't expecting it to be this big. Let's put in some more actually. I mean, it's actually like able to touch and stuff without it getting all over you, but still. This one needs more lotion, so I'm going to put some more in there.